Have you sunk your feet in a river's basin? Have you yet stood at nature's edge? Have you sifted through a breeze not native to your body? Have you smiled under a new sun? Do you know the depth of a valley's desire? The chords of a rainforest song? Do you know how to be your own music? How to unleash your softest fears to a foreign shore? We glisten here like new treasures. We who wrung our hands in the wrath of hurricanes. We who have been stripped bare and still bloom. We bend with the waves and wade with mountains at our backs. We dance in the rain and love in the heat. We listen the way only we know how. We see further than we're taught, and we use the land to spell our names. We hold joy with open palms, and laughter comes like morning, every tune particular but sure. Succumb to the urge nipping at your joints. We are here, and we've been waiting on you. So do something different. Come, rediscover Dominica.
White Kubuli. Tall is her body. She seems a strong woman standing stately facing west, looking to the past for a vision of her future, drawing from the sun's last rays as they dim and dip in the distance, the hope of tomorrow's untapped potential. An independent woman, broad-waisted and fertile, fat and fabulous, having borne much fruit of her womb. She commands wonder as the world takes notice of her grandeur. Her hidden gems and precious wonders, buried between rolling hills, in the shadows of mountains, in wooded dells and glens. Sheer amazement lurks in every nook, cranny and crevice. Waterfalls that descend from steepling heights appear as falling crystals do, beads of glass that curtain the bare rock faces beneath. She is an eco-paradise, teeming with life. Her lush, serene forests remain untouched and unspoiled. Bright yellow sunshine kisses her face each day, and her seemingly innumerable springs are well watered, giving life to 365 rivers. Her children eat from her pot of flora and fauna, seasoned with an array of the region's most exquisite spices. She is home of the last remaining indigenous Kalinago people, who remain a symbol of her will to persevere amid opposition. Her resolve is steadfast, and though storms come each year, she is never shaken. The proof is in her story.
having fun. Me, you, and sunshine. Many days, give me your hand. I'm trying to show you the way, yeah. We could go on adventures. Who's it when I know I live? When you feel down, call on me. I'll give you strength so you can go on. For you, I only want the best. Come take a ride. You need me in your life. I'll show you how it's done. Set you in motion like the waves of the sea. Can't you see I'm the one? I got all what you need right here in front of you. I'm gonna take all your stress away. Come embrace me so you can be free. Laugh with me, live with me, smile for me. Smile for me.
This is Dominica, a small Caribbean island known for its tropical rainforests, volcanic mountains, and picturesque waterfalls. It is so pristine and green that many call it the Nature Island. Dominica attracts those who enjoy spectacular hiking, adventure, snorkeling and diving, or simply want to harmonize with nature, away from their busy lives. But the Dominica we knew changed in September 2017. Hurricane Maria scored a direct hit on us. Lives were lost, the greenery was gone. Raging waters and catastrophic landslides changed the landscape and destroyed the infrastructure. Once again, Dominica made world news. This time though, not as a stunningly beautiful ecotourism destination, but as a disaster zone. But hey, guess what? We are fixing our lives and the island is started to heal. Our nature guides can see it best.
When I saw the river after Maria, I said, oh God, we might never able to make a trip again on the river. But after we started cleaning it up, I saw a different kind of beauty. The nature started healing up itself. The leaves started to come back on the trees, the birds coming, the wildlife are there. It looks different, but it's beautiful. I say, well, we are good to go.
Indeed, changes are all around us. If you want to witness them, hiking is the best way. Although, hiking in Dominica can sometimes get a little wet.
I'm a canyoning guide in Dominica who knows all the cool locations on this island. Although we got hit by a major hurricane, this island is still amazing. And right now we are rediscovering everything all over again.
The forest is changing and looks like a green fantasy world full of tall columns, windows, and alleys. It's a joy to walk through this magical land, discovering the new, redesigned Dominica. The island offers plenty of opportunities for true enjoyment and adventure. Visitors are coming to hike new landscapes, others come to help restore our island-long Waitikubuli Trail. We welcome them all, promising a memorable experience. But all these nature changes are happening quickly. A new balance sets in our forests, parrots find new roosting grounds, rivers settle in green again valleys. To witness these unique changes, the time to come is now. It may well be a lifetime opportunity to see a nature island being reborn.
Yeah man, come with us and you will enjoy it. Be a part of it, and it will become a part of you.
For every trail Dominica has, that's the trail I've discovered. For every river it has, that's the river I swim in. I like that since I small. Because for us, there's nothing like being enough.
Moving in circles, caught in a maze.
For us, it was all about being out and about.
Staring at a stranger, who are you and where am I? Is this what love did to me? Guard your heart, keep it safe, let no one take away all your love and make you numb, make you empty, then walk away. You got to love yourself before anybody else.
Because we knew that what we were doing is what we had to do as well. We the island like the back of our foot.
Who will be your loyal kind?
Meditation helps you focus the mind, puts emphasis on wellness of the mind. And what happens to the mind is the rest of the body. That's why you might see me here, my face is wrinkled, but my hands are steady. This is my home. This is where I continue to live on.